So listen, bro, today I gotta go pick up a pair of Jordan 3s, fire reds, you feel me? Yes, I got them. Unfortunately, it's a size 10 and I'm a 10.5, so I feel like I'm gonna have to squeeze. But the fact that we hit is already a blessing, so I gotta go pick that shit up. Managed to reserve a pair on JD Sports. Hopefully they look as clean as they used to. I got a pair of true blues and they're beat, so hopefully these fire reds do me right. These shits is dusty, bruh. But shit, we straight, because today we about to pick up a new pair of 3s. I'm just a little anxious about the sizing because I'm a 10.5 and them shits is a 10. It's kind of stressful, but it's gonna be alright. Let me know in the comments if y'all took a W this morning or an L. Also, did y'all even want to go for these? I feel like it's a nostalgic pair of Jordans. Hey, I had to go for this retro. Leave a like on this video and let's get up out of here. So I just pulled up to the mall. I'm about to step inside, get my kicks. Low-key, I've been sitting here for like 5 minutes debating on if I should even get these shits, bro, because I looked at the resale. It's like $230, retail's like $210, and it's a size 10, but I'm a size 10.5. Like, I don't know, bro. I don't know if I should go in there and get them. I'm gonna try to see if they fit. If they don't, then I'm gonna have to return them or some bullshit. So I went in the mall, picked up the kicks. They right here. But y'all already know I had to stop by real quick. I low-key been getting it less and less, but today is one of those days where I had to. Before I show y'all the kicks, low-key I got a call and couldn't even keep filming, but I went to the mall, picked these up, boom. Y'all probably already know what this is. Ended up hitting on a size 10, which I'm not even tripping at this point. I feel like these should fit me. Jordan 3's a little bigger normally, so we should be good. It's kind of cool how they included this, even though they ain't put the retro card, you feel me? It's something. This has everything that the Jordan 3 consists of. Little logo on the top. It's something nice, you feel me? A little add-on. Fire red Jordan 3s. I low-key love these shits, bro. I remember one of my homies had these, and I had the white cements. Low-key used to be stunting, bro. These fire reds go hard, and it does bring some memories back, so shout out to these. They did bring them with the Nike Air on the back. You basically got that red on the collar, red on the midsole. Jordan 3 fire reds, an iconic colorway that they brought back with the Nike Air on the back. Shout out to JB for bringing these back. Another banger. Let me know if y'all fucking with these. Had to have them. I need some white cements. I need some cement 4s, bro. I feel like I need some more 4s in my collection, but do I really? I'm not gonna lie, they look type clean on feet, bro. They feel even better in a size 10. I feel like with a 10.5, there's this little bit of room since the 3s are wider and I have wider feet that I feel like they fit perfect, bro. That's crazy. Every time I get a pair of 3s from here on out, they're gonna be in the size 10. It's crazy how I almost ain't even go in there. And this is my new perfect size for 3s. Head ass. I feel like the elephant print is lighter on these than the 2013 pair. It has like more of an elephant print. The other one was just straight black, but I think it's still clean though. This video was on the shorter side, so I decided to add a little bit of news for y'all. First thing being, tomorrow's the off-white Air Force Ones. Brooklyn little green spark joints are coming out tomorrow. We've seen these around here and there. They've been supposed to release for a little minute at this point. Low key, they coming, bro. Tomorrow morning, stay on your app. Go on sneakers right now when you're watching this and tell them to notify you because it's a must cop. Now, obviously, they have released a couple colors at this point. The blue joints, the lemonades. Next, we got these green ones tomorrow, and there's also a rumored pair for Paris, which is gray, my favorite one, bro. All these shits are fire. These green joints, bro, I'll take them. Let me get them for retail now. They probably are gonna be a little bit limited. I would just recommend you to sign up, bro. I don't know if at this point the off-white release happened. I'm gonna try to look it up, but it was supposed to happen. I remember that it didn't end up happening when it was supposed to happen, so it was still gonna happen type shit, but I don't know if it actually ended up happening. That's the thing. The Brooklyn joints tomorrow, bro. Make sure you get your ass up and try to go for them. It's literally a $2,000 resale sneaker. If you don't want them, still buy them. Just a little bit of advice, you know. But let's get past that. The fact they're still dropping off-white sneakers is another point that I don't even touch on too much. Kanye's leaving Adidas. I honestly firmly believe this is gonna happen. He had text basically saying that it's gonna cost him as much money to keep him as it is to lose him. They've been making replica sneakers at this point that look like his but aren't fake. Literally, it's Adidas still doing it. So there's people speculating and saying that he might be going back to Nike, or he's just gonna start his own shit, which he did actually trademark Easy Stores, and he's been asking people to basically run his stores around the US or whatever the case is. Crazy to think about it, but if Kanye goes rogue, he could low-key collab with most of these people, or he could come up with his own sneaker device. I don't even know, bro. Like, cause Nike makes sneakers, he comes with the idea, makes a cool sneaker. Same shit with Adidas. They already have like the method of making the shoes. I'm assuming he could figure that out though, but it's crazy to think cause the Yeezy shit that we already have, those prices about to go up. That's mandatory, bro. The last bit of news is the fact that Nike got robbed, bro. They lost $800,000 worth of merchandise and sneakers. Low key, we might not be seeing some of these releases, or stock might be lowered. We don't know what's gonna happen. They got robbed, bro. The trailers got robbed. Like, this shit was on Instagram. I planned on posting it sooner, but low-key couldn't get around to it. So fuck it. It's in this video right here. They basically looted them. They took 7,500 pairs of LeBrons and like 150,000 worth of Air Maxes. We even saw some Jordan 4s and shit like that coming up on the market type shit. But yo, imagine it's all a hoax and Nike robbed Nike for publicity. Who knows? We'll never know. Or did Nike actually get robbed? That's all I have for y'all today. Leave a like on this one if you did enjoy it. Let me know what y'all thought about the Jordan 3s. Low-key a little pickup I had. Also, let me know what y'all think of Kanye leaving Adidas and Nike getting robbed. Plus, make sure y'all go for those sneakers in the morning. I'm telling you, bro, it's gonna be worth it if you hit. And if you do hit, come back to this video. If you entered because of this shit, be like, yo, damn, bro, I hit. But yeah, that pretty much does it for this video. It was a quick one. If y'all did enjoy, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, click on post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. We about to hit 20,100, so thank y'all for supporting, and low-key we grinding and we growing, bro. Shout out to y'all for all the love y'all constantly show. I'm gonna try to do a giveaway soon, thanking y'all, but I'll keep you posted on that. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and out.